Oh yeah, yeah. If it doesn't make 4 digits, then fucking set it on fire.
Let's not set it on fire. We don't need.
Yeah.
We don't need that intro.
All right, guys. Once again, I've sold the engine out of my Trans Am to a customer. This is a all aluminum 402 Thompson built stroker with trick flow heads on it. The customer insisted having an aluminum block 402, and the machine shop really backed up, so I got something really good in the works for this thing. So Dylan is going to help me get this thing out of here today, and within a couple hours we'll be done. Wasn't recording that whole time?
It wasn't?
I don't think so.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Well, that sucks. That was a waste of time. Or maybe it just now stopped. All right, guys. As you can see, we got it tore down to the bare bones. It's just the easiest way to work on this car, and it's like literally like 8 volts to get it this far at this point in the build. So it just makes it way easier. We got to pull the transmission first. It's just the easiest thing to do with the way the motor mounts are set up in this car in the oil pan. So we'll pull the transmission, then we'll pull the engine, and we'll be done. We got the transmission out. We got the engine hoist here. We're gonna lift the car up with the lift, I guess. Yeah, fuck. No technical way to say that. We'll lift it up with the lift. We'll put these 2 jack stands underneath it and let the ass end settle down. I think I may have forgot to hit the record button, get the engine out of this thing, so, but here it is, it's out. Hopefully for the last time, you did the recording.
I am the tripod now.
You are the tripod.
Yeah, I'm the
Nice.
man pod.
The man pod?
The man pod.
We're rolling?
Yeah, you're good.
All right. Okay, everybody, finally got the engine out of this thing again. Hopefully the last time, no promises. Started out about 10 years ago with a Butler 455 stroker motor, carbureted, 700 R4 tranny. That was not going to cut it. It had a turbo 5.3, another 5.3, a 6-liter, an LS1, a 408, 416 stroker, and a 402. What else? I'm sure there's a bunch more, at least 10 motors in this thing so far. I'm just super indecisive. Part of me wants to just put it together and thrash. Another part of me wants to have the best of the best. So I'm gonna
Subscribe and find out.
Yeah, subscribe and find out and see what happens next. Thank you.
Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time.
Anything else?
No, I don't think so. No, I
We're
don't.
not gonna commit to a motor because if you say yeah, I'm gonna do this,
Yeah.
you're not gonna.
Yeah,
That's
no,
true.
Definitely not yet.
Yeah.
Just have to wait and see. Yeah, because I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing at this point.
Until it's in the car.
Yeah.
In the last 2 days, he's had probably 6 different motor ideas.